I make this video to demonstrate the custom indicators work on Webull phone application. So I am on the fixed chart on the VIX. When I have it vertically, it doesn't show the indicators earlier. So I make it horizontal just to make it easier. So this button over here, so the rectangle one, that makes it vertical and horizontal. So now from here I go to indicators and add indicator down here at the bottom, and then from there it shows the favorite build custom in my indicator. So the my indicator is where we have the custom indicators populated. So from here I just added the EMA cloud, and just to show more, let me see what else can I add. RSI, okay, this one should work. So this is also a different one, it's an RSI one. So over here at the bottom, the RSI with the signal line with the pink and yellow, that's what I just added, so that works. Let me remove that. And also over here I have the EMA cloud. Let me zoom in. So that's shown the red shading, that shows the EMA cloud. And when I go to my indicators, it's already here. If I click EMA cloud, it's gone over there, the shading, so the cloud is gone. So you can add it just the way I just showed.